it's John Marc, and thanks for checking out this latest video on how to draw a cartoon. And today's lesson, I'm going to be doing a full body shot of a little boy. Alright, so if you have your pencils and your paper, I think we're ready to begin. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Now that was a fun lesson, and I hope you enjoyed it. Now, what can you take home from this experience? It's the same thing I've been saying from time to time. Use your imagination. Maybe take someone that you know, a brother, a sister, or a friend, and turn them into a cartoon character. Maybe using the same type of a pose that I did, or change the hand pose or the feet. Anything you can imagine. Again, the challenge is use your style and bring it into life then. Alright, so if you have subscribed to my YouTube channel, I want to say thanks a lot. Appreciate that. And if you haven't, make sure you do, so you catch up on all the latest tips and tricks from my studio. That's John Marc. Alright, so thanks again for watching this video, and have a great day. Don't forget to visit our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.